Hi, my name's Callum Davies. I'm the Head of Sales at Wernick Refurbished Buildings. Welcome to our depot. Operating from an 8.5-acre site based just outside of York, we actively encourage anyone considering modular construction to come visit us in person. We can even pick you up from York Station should this make travel arrangements easier. A visit to our depot usually starts with a quick presentation from our sales team where we explain our industry-leading approach to refurbishment. Our in-house design team can then look to understand your requirements in detail before producing bespoke technical drawings and 3D visuals for your review. We typically have over 70 modules going through our production at any time. Varying in size and specification, a walk around our 6,600 metres squared factory provides an opportunity to see firsthand the various stages our refurbished buildings are subject to. From the stripping back to the original steel frame, to the introduction of new walls, floors and ceilings, we are confident that our experienced team can answer any questions you may have. To book a free factory tour, please contact our helpful team today. We look forward to meeting you.